Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Lowe's. We're going to be looking at the deals, the 4th of July deals. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell if you want to help out the channel so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos, buy more tools like this. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. We got the 249 box deal there, or 282 pieces for 249. I haven't seen that kit before. That's a new kit for me. We got the toolbox display over here. It's a nice stainless cobalt for $7.49. Gotta say it's really nice. The stainless with the blue, great colors there. And then you got this one. They do sell those ones separately. $6.99 for the bottom, $4.99 for the top. No discounts at all on that. That's a really nice toolbox. Probably my favorite out of all these boxes. Just like the design of the drawers, looks more heavy duty. 120 pounds per drawer, I guess. And then they got these on sale. That's $3.99 for the bottom, $2.99 for the top. So that's a 52-inch, I believe. So it's not too bad. And then this one's a little smaller. This is 41-inch, $2.49, and then $3.49 for the bottom. So I would say this is a more affordable. It's something that obviously somebody like me could buy. $179 for the bottom piece. And then they got this. They got a $129 deal for that $319 piece. And then they got the $129 for any of these tools. Your choice, basically. You got the drill driver, impact driver, and battery. $159 regular price, $129 discounted price, and then they got the leaf blower and the string trimmer, $129. Not too bad if you need a leaf blower and a string trimmer. $24 if you're already in the 24-volt system, cobalts. And then they got the DeWalt stand there for all the wires, and then now they got the choice for $99 either the batteries or the drill or impact driver kit. I gotta say those are the better deals. The $179 online, I believe it's $159. Don't get me wrong, you gotta do your own shopping around, but I believe it's $179 online. Either this one or another one. It's a little pricey there for $98 there. It's something I didn't see before. So you got $99, your choice. Same thing, a blower and a string trimmer. Or you can buy a drill driver and impact driver for $99. You get 2 batteries and a charger. So this is definitely some deals you guys want to check out. Again, this is for a small yard. You know, somebody that has a normal yard. If you have a bigger yard, you might want to go at least to 40 volts. Or, you know, bigger. Bigger is better. You got $43. $59 for the battery. And pretty much you buy any of these kits and you get that battery for free. It's a $59.98 value. These are really nice. These XTRs are really nice. I don't know if you guys haven't seen the videos out there where they test these tools and they perform as professional, like a professional level tool, basically. Yeah, and there's been a lot of sales out there that if you buy a tool, you get a free battery. I don't see that sale here. It could be an online thing, or it could be another stores. Or it could be just my luck that they run out, basically. So I guess they don't have any. But yeah, I guess you buy a bare tool from DeWalt and you get a free 8 amp hour battery. If I'm not wrong, please leave me a comment down below. Let me know how that works. Because we don't want to miss any of those deals, especially if somebody's looking to get into the DeWalt platform there. And then you got some Craftsman. It's a really good deal right there. And then $11.88 for the box fastbacks for a pack of 2. Not bad. So yeah, you got a whole bunch of good deals there for if you guys need some blades, some box cutters. And then if you guys have used this before, let me know. It is $12.98. So that if these are good, then that's a good deal. That's a smoking deal right there for $12.98. Also, let me know if you guys use the spider, either circular saw blades and the spade bits. Let me know how, what, if you guys use it, the performance. I heard mixed reviews. Some people like them, some people don't like them. I heard more negative than positive, so let me know. $3.99 for that kit. It's a DeWalt kit. You get the oscillating tool, the XR oscillating tool, and then you get, most of those are brush tools. Got some pliers there, some tape measures, some more cobalts. Basically, just like a basic kit for the household, or if you have an apartment, your first tools. And then you got the DeWalt section here. So $149, $139. And it says right there, buy one, get one free. But at the time, I wasn't looking. I was in a rush to get out of that section. But somehow it says buy one, get one free. It could be that the deal that everybody's talking about. We got the $169, $249. These are great deals for somebody that wants to get into a platform, doesn't have any tools. Especially the $249 does include, I believe, reciprocating saw. And that's a USB adapter, so you can use those batteries to charge your phone. If you guys didn't know. More spider here. And then you got a big section here for Bosch. Unfortunately, I didn't have time to go over the Bosch, because I was running in between jobs and just stopped at Lowe's real quick. And yeah, this one's weird. All in one. It's just trim, blow, and edge, which is weird. Yeah, these are on sale, $449, which is, I was surprised because these usually are really expensive. They're more than $500. So $449 for the 80 volts. That's top of the line Cobalt right there. And then you got the $449, which is the competitor. That's Greenworks. This Greenworks had was one of the top performers in another video, I believe Toolbox or something that they called. But yeah, they did like all the mowers, and Greenworks, I believe, and Eagle were the top ones. But yeah, that's a good deal for that one if you guys want to check that out. $349 for the 40 volts. I guess you have a push mower and a self-propelled. So $249 for the I believe the Bird tool. And then you got some more string trimmers here. Weed eaters, weed whackers, $179. Yeah, you always want to take a quick walk through these sections, because you never know what's hiding out there. $119, $129, and $169. So these are all the 24 volts, the 40 volts, and I believe the 80 volts. No, the 80 volts $229, by the way. That's not on sale. But yeah, like I said, you want to take a quick walk back here, because you'll never know what you guys find. You guys will find a smoking deal or something on clearance. Usually on clearance, they'll have like a table, and they'll have all the tools at the middle aisle there with a big old discounted sign. This store did not have that, which is weird. And also with this store, I noticed is that they had some more sales right here, tool sales on the back. You guys see here this middle aisle or back aisle. So they got the DeWalt's 1998. So they got some of that, and then they had some more Cobalts back here. So $24.88 for the 100, and yeah, that's pretty good. If, like I said, for somebody that's starting out, doesn't have any tools. If you're a professional, obviously you want to get a better brand. $24.98 for that's the Crescent, the Apex brand. So these look pretty nice. If you guys just tried them out, let me know in the comments how you guys like the Apex. Got some gloves. Got some circular saw blades. And these $12.88 for the Irwins. Yeah, if you have a choice, get the Craftsman. You get twice as much as more for like $9.98. $25.88. It's a big set there. $49.98 for those two blades. I believe they are 12-inch. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button to help out the channel. Subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.